Hello, hello my lovely, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you what I have bought in January and February. I just combined the 2 months because you will see there's not a lot here. I have been a very good girl, but I wanted to tell you what I got and I wanted to show you because that's just fun. You know, a haul is always fun. If this is your first time here, then hi, welcome. My name is AnneChris and on my channel I want to inspire you to use a little bit of color every day by creating these fun, colorful looks, but I'm trying to keep them a little bit more wearable so you can actually play with those colorful eyeshadow palettes every day. I mainly use products from high-end and indie brands because that is just my jam, and if you're vibing with this then please consider subscribing. I upload 2 times a week and sometimes I even throw in a bonus video as well. So for the haul for January and February, there's not a lot, I can tell you, because I am saving up. We're getting a dog. It's already been born, but we have to pick it up in April, the 1st of April, and we have to pay for the dog. And I am just like, okay, I don't know what is happening, but with the situation worldwide, there's a big run on dogs and the prices are going through the roof. It's okay, you know, it's okay. But it's a little bit more expensive than I was anticipating, so I'm trying to be good with the makeup. I'm going to show you the products I got in January because I didn't get anything in February. Yay me! Technically I only got 2 products in January, but one of the orders that I got in December came in January, so that is what I'm going to start off with. It's just that I'm not going to allocate that budget or the money I spent on that towards like my total budget because I already spent the money in 2020. And I'm also going to tell you, of course, how much I spent on these few items I have in front of me. All right, I'm going to start off with Linda Halbach. I did a small haul, I think, on her. I would say small haul on her website because she had a very good sale going at the end of the year. And the first thing I got is this Enchanted Mysteries palette. I think this was the Christmas palette for 2019. I'm not sure. Yeah, I think so. Maybe the year before, but I think 2019. And look at this color story. It's so stunning. I think it was 50% off or 70% off. I think she had a total run of 70%, but not side-wide. So you had some products who were more discounted than the other stuff, but I think this one was 50% off. And this is the palette. It is a very beautiful palette and you have some duochromes in here. This shade and this shade are duochromes, and I don't know if you can see, but the white one, can you see? Yeah, the white one you can't really see, but it's like a white to a pink, and the other one is like a green to a very dark green. And I think this looks so stunning. I still have to use it. But the pants, I'm going to zoom you in very well. The pants look so dang pretty. So yeah, I don't really dare to use it yet, but I totally will. I just don't think I will do it in a video because it is somewhat of an older palette. So I don't think I will do a video on it. And then the second palette I got is the Spectral Palette. And this is more of a... well, more of a pastel type of palette, and I think that the packaging is totally reflecting off the inside because this is the inside of the palette. It's very beautiful and it has one, I think, there are 4 mattes and 4 shimmery shades in here. And what I love about this is that you have a shade that is like a little bit deeper, this one, to deepen up the looks you are creating with this. I still have to try this one, but it looks so dang beautiful. And I can't wait to play with this palette and make looks that are actually a little bit more wearable, but are beautiful ethereal. So I'm really excited. If you want to see anything like me doing a more pastel look, but keeping it wearable and not too fairy-like or not too bold, let me know down below because I would be totally happy to do that with this palette, of course. Then I also added to my crayon collection because I got the Light Core and the Anger Mood. These are like a red and a yellow, and I think that the light yellow is very handy to put in your waterline if you want to brighten up your waterline a little bit. And this one is just a very bright red. I haven't used it yet, and I must say I don't know how I'm going to use it, but I have it. It's in my collection. It's one of the most beautiful pencils I've ever seen, so it's like I want to use you, but how, why, when, I don't know. I also picked up another brush because I had these two cheek brushes and I really love them. And this is the 305 brush. And I fell head over heels with this brush as well. This brush is perfect if you want to work with shimmer shadows, sparkly shadows, the shadows I'm wearing today. I have used this brush to apply like the glitter shadows. It's a stunning brush. I think I'm going to stock up on this one because it's a really good brush. And then the last thing I got was one of the Fanta sticks, and this is in the shade Cultured. It's like, this is like a balmy, softer type of look, and this is in a bit of an orangey shade, as you can see. Really beautiful. What's this? Oh, that's probably the crayon. I'm sorry. But it's a very lovely color. I haven't worn this one yet, so I still have to try it, but I think it's a really beautiful color, so I'm really happy I got it. Then, something really excited, and the palette I'm wearing today is the Club Nebula palette by Kaleidos and Angelica Nikvis. This is such a cool palette. I have been using it. I am working on a 1 week 1 palette with this palette because I really want to get wearable looks out of this palette. And wearable for me is like, I say this at the beginning of every video I do, that I want to inspire people to use a little bit of color every day. And if you buy a palette like this, I know a lot of women are looking at palettes like this. The whole internet is going crazy over it. And I know that people buy this and then they're like, okay, yeah, I can do these very bold looks, but then it ends up in the back of a drawer because it's not easy to get wearable looks out of a palette like this. And I really want to help you to create looks with palette like these, so you can actually wear them every day, because it's such a shame if you buy something that is this beautiful and you can't wear it a lot because you don't know how to make a look you can actually wear to work, or you can wear to your mom-in-law, you know. So, but this is the palette I'm wearing today. I'm doing a 1 week 1 palette with this palette, creating 7 looks which I think are very wearable and very fun. So you can play with the colors, be creative, but keep it wearable. And this is one of the looks. I'm really excited about it. It's a beautiful palette. And then the last thing I bought in January is this Shiseido Synchro Skin Radiant Lifting Foundation. Jesus, the names. They really have to do something about the names. But this is a new foundation. I tried it out. I did a video on it. I will link the video up there. And yeah, well, just watch the video. I think it's a nice foundation, but it has some quirks. So if you are planning on buying this, I would highly recommend watching that video. That is everything I got in January, and I didn't get anything in February, which means that I spent 87 and 13 cents in euros in total. And I have a budget for 200 euros a month to spend on makeup, but I only, well, let me say 88 bucks is all I spent. So I'm really proud of myself. I'm really happy that I kept it a little bit more contained, especially because I didn't spend even anything in February. So I am allocating a lot of my budget for January and February to my Black Friday budget, because every time I have some money left in a month, I'm allocating it to my Black Friday budget, and I'm also saving money for Black Friday anyway, so we'll have a nice rounded number and a nice big number to spend at the end of the year. Well, ladies, that is it, because I didn't spend that much money, I didn't buy that much stuff, but I really wanted to show you what I got. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like what you saw. If you did, then please give this video a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, because I would love to see you in my next one. Bye!